there?
Yep.
Your bird at the pet shop, I forgot to tell you.
What bird?
Remember that hen you want an individual with?
Uh-huh.
Huh? You know what I'm talking about?
No.
You want an individual, not individual, but you want a shows with? You said she was Chocolate Bones, whatever she was called?
Uh-huh.
She was at Boone.
At Boone?
Yeah.
How the hell she get up there?
It looked like that same hen. It had your little NBRC.
What color is she? Red or
green
one?
band?
I know, but
She's like a bronze.
Nah, she...
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah,
that
I
bird.
lost her.
See the black and white.
She came out,
Somebody sold her to Boone, and she was sold in the little thing. She was already sold her and a check and white.
Damn, you should have found out who the hell. That's crazy, but did I even get that shot?
See the one that just went right now?
Uh-huh.
Them the trigger birds.
I see the black ones right there.
Look, you never figure all them
Right
birds
there,
out.
let's flip together. You was talking about that black one.
They went too damn high for this camera.
Nice out here.
When'd you see her, Will?
Yesterday.
And they sold her already?
No, she was sold on the thing.
What color band?
A green one.
No, she had a red band.
Was it?
Yeah. Remember, that was a couple years ago. You talking about the one that took the LARC? The one the LARC show, right?
No, it was one you always brought to the show. She was a bronze.
White flight,
White
beard.
flight. Yeah.
I don't know. I can't see shit.
So you know what babies is doing the best? Really helping my kids.
Black and white pop?
Yeah. I didn't even know I had a brother. Put that kid in my house.